camper here, and we are starting our little snowstorm for the Midwest up here for South Dakota, North Dakota, and Minnesota. Came from Canada, I believe, but we're starting it here. Gonna zoom if it lets me so you can see a little bit. You'll be able to tell at the stoplight. But we just got back from checking the mail. Pretty snowflakes. Anyway, I've heard it said that we're gonna get anywhere from 5 to 6 inches. Somebody said through this one that goes all the way till Tuesday off and on that it'll be 13 inches, so we shall see. All I know is it's like a last blast for winter and enough to change our challenges. But if you had to be stuck in any town in South Dakota, this is a really nice one. The people here are really great. And there's even a laundromat, a pantry. There's a fruit juice drink place. And there's cute churches. And there's a park. Can't see much with all the snow. But there's actually, the city owns the park, of course, but there's camping spots over across the way over there too. It's just a nice little town here in Groton, South Dakota. Huh? Yeah, they got a swimming pool too. Ruben was reminding me to let you guys know there's a swimming pool. So on the hot summer days, you know, if the AC ain't cutting it, there's a swimming pool. All the little creature comforts we can have here. And it's a really nice town. It's very community oriented. And they're really sweet to everybody that we've met anyway. And there's even Dollar General. Right here. There's a Dollar General. Seems like every place has those now. Deer. There's a lumber yard right there. Those people are awesome if you need wood. You guys should check them out. That is a good spot to get wood. It's S&S Lumber Co. But yeah, just a little view of the town. There's Sinclair and a Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen and a Cans. I used to work at Cans. Cans ain't too bad. It's a pretty nice place. They have a casino too. Well, I don't want to get nobody's plates. I'm not trying to. There's just people all over the place, so excuse that. Don't pay attention to that. I'm just trying to show off our snowstorm that we're getting. It's supposed to be bigger than any of them we had all winter, which is funny because we're in March going into April after the first day of spring, which is really funny. Now Ruben's gonna check out the Ford dealership.
I think I like some.
There's Groton Ford. There's a shout out to Groton Ford and a mention. How do you like that? Couldn't buy a car from them, but we'll give them a mention just for being friendly, because this really is a nice town. What? You found another Mustang. Oh, there's a cute Mustang.
Yeah, I'll look at it.
Okay, you go look at it. Yeah, they got lots of nice cars and stuff. Ooh, there's a Jeep over there. They got lots of nice cars. And there's even an itty bitty motel across the way with the restaurant. I thought, you know, have a little fun with this snowstorm and also give a shout out to the town that's been so great to us all these couple of years we've been around. We're getting a wow from the hubby. Wow, what? I think I found my new project to replace. I had a car accident in Kansas City in 2016 and I accidentally wrecked my husband's Mustang. So I got to replace it again because we gave my son Shane a Mustang that I replaced it already with. But that's okay, we would do that again in a heartbeat. But anyway, hopefully I could show us driving up to our camper. He's funny. I do kind of want to show us going to the camper though. He had to look under the hood. I think he wants the Mustang. Too much money. Why do you say that?
They want $9,000 for the dang thing.
$9,000, you can have yourself a cute little red Mustang.
A little bit over.
A little bit over.
But
there's another Mustang.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a convertible.
That one there's a 96.
That's a 96. There's the back end if you're interested in her. She's a cute one. I used to have a social worker with that kind. But yeah, it ain't that bad of a place to go. They do a lot of business here because it's genuinely nice people though. They're easy to talk to. I think these are already taken, dear. And our camper's just over there by that pickup down there. We only have to go around the way here. So we're super easy to find if you're ever in our neck of the woods. I know that our landlord, Mark, he runs the Groton campground here. And here's a quick look at that. It's a nice place, actually. Anyway, shout out to our friend Anthony, too. Got to give him a shout out. He's our friend. He'll be coming back again. And there's our palace. Anyway, I'm going to hop out so you guys can see the snowflakes better before I have to get this long, rambly video loaded for you all. Heaven knows how long I have it already. I hope YouTube loads it off the phone. Anyway, yeah. And don't forget, beware of dog. We got 6 dogs in this camper. Yeah. Just stuff. Anyway, we're getting ready for the snow that's already here. And the gooses are here too. There's 2 gooses at least here. So anyhow, there's a shout out. And we will see you all soon. And I'm going to get out of this because it's blowing in my eyes even with my glasses. See you here and have fun and be safe in your travels.